Hey everybody, my name is Lisa. Today we're going to be making chicken and rice. Well, it's not just chicken and rice, it's ranch, chicken, and rice in the Ninja Foodi. This is just a one-pot meal. Now you can either just eat it by itself, or you can actually wrap it up into a burrito and have a ranch, chicken, and rice burrito. So without further ado, come on over and let's get started. To start this recipe, what we're going to do is, it's on function, I'm going to turn it to saute, high, and I'm going to hit start. So I can go over everything that you're going to need. You're going to need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. You're going to need 1 large onion diced up. You're going to need 1 packet of ranch dried dressing. You need 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of chicken stock. This is the better than bouillon that I'm using. And you're also going to need heavy cream, or you can use half and half, or milk. And of course you're going to need salt, pepper, and a little bit of avocado oil. So let's just jump right in and make this. Now see, this is like super thick, these ends. I'm going to cut these chicken breasts in half, and I am going to cut these in half so it just cooks a little quicker. Perfect. I'm also going to take a couple sprays. Just going to spray the bottom with a little bit of avocado oil. This has been warming up for a few minutes, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this chicken in there. Now we're not cooking it, we're just trying to brown this chicken. Next up, I'm just going to take a little black pepper. Now the salt, I might just put like a little tiny bit, because we are using some chicken stock and there's salt in that. So it's probably been cooking for around 2 or 3 minutes. What I'm going to do is just, we're going to go ahead and turn the chicken over. So we got a little bit of brownage on this chicken. I'm going to take it out. Now that's what we like to see. You'd like to see those brown bits. We're going to go ahead and add the onion. I'm going to add just a bit more pepper. And I'm going to take a wooden spoon and make sure all these brown bits, we want the brown bits. That's tons of flavor in here. Now if the brown bits don't come up all the way, what you can do, just put like a splash in there. Take that moisture and get all those brown bits up. That's flavor, flavor, flavor. Now we're going to let these saute probably anywhere between like 3 to 5 minutes. Onions are sauteing up nice. We have just a little bit of brown color to them. I'm going to go ahead and just pour the chicken right back in again. You want the onions on the bottom. Now I'll take a pair of tongs and just make sure the chicken sits on top of the onion, because we don't want that dreaded burn notice. And right now what you can do is go ahead and you can turn off sear saute. Next up, I'm going to take some of that rice. This is 1 cup of rice. Just going to sprinkle it about. I'm also going to take that ranch seasoning. Place that right in there. And then I'm going to take the remainder of the chicken stock and pour this right in. And yeah, let your spoon fall in as well. Now I'm going to take the wooden spoon and we're just going to make sure the rice is down into the liquid as best we can. And don't forget to add that 1/2 of milk, half and half, or heavy cream, because I almost forgot it. Now we can go ahead and put the lid on. Make sure it's set to seal. Function, we're going to turn it to pressure. We're going to go to time, and the time, we're going to set the time for, we're going to do 7 minutes. And we're going to hit start. It's done. Now we're going to do a natural release for 15 minutes. As you can tell, it's starting to count up. It's been natural releasing for 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and do a quick release. Tab is dropped in the back. Go ahead and remove the lid. Once again, be careful. Steam and dripping water. That looks pretty good. What I am going to do right now is I'm going to take these chicken pieces out. It's just shredding up. Look at that. Wow. I still want to take them out because I don't want to use a fork in the Ninja Foodi bowl. So I'll take the larger pieces out. This smells really good. Alright, before I shred that up though, I am going to take a spatula. Let's stir this around a bit. And I do want to take a taste of this rice. I just want to test for seasoning right now. Grab like a little fork, just do a little quick taste test. Hot. It's really good. So what I like to do to shred, just take 2 forks and just shred up the chicken like this. Now you can just serve this in a bowl if you want, or you can make wraps. Like chicken and rice with the wraps would be fantastic. Okay, take the chicken, put it right back in there. I want to get all this good flavor right off there. Wow, this is really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add probably like 1.5 cups to 2 cups of cheese. I mean, eating this plain, this is really good just the way it is, but I think by adding some cheese, you're going to put this over the top just a bit. That's probably like 1.5 cups of cheese. I'm going to do, because this is on keep warm. I'm just going to stir this up and the cheese should melt right into this. Look at that stringy cheese, fantastic. Use whatever cheese that you like. I wish I had mild cheddar, but I don't have that in the house. This is a Colby Monterey. You don't have to add the cheese like I said, but yeah, this is really good. All right, I'm gonna dish this up and we're gonna do that taste test. What I'm gonna do just to dress this up just a bit, you can take greenery of your choice. This is just a little parsley. I'm also gonna add a little green onion. And if you want, you can even sprinkle on just a bit more cheese. Whoops, I forgot to put on just a little bit of sriracha. This is just an optional step. This is just what I like. Just a little bit of heat, boom. I was skeptical. I'm not one of these one pot wonder meal, whatever they are, but this is good. I haven't even done the taste test, but when I tasted the rice, I was like, wow, this is actually good. Not that I didn't expect it to be good, it's just, yeah. See? I don't know, everybody's different. So I'm gonna grab some of the rice. I'm gonna see if I can grab a piece of chicken here as well. Look at that. This is really good. I would eat it just like this, or if you have one of these or the large burritos, you can make a giant size burrito with this. I found these at the store and I can't wait to use them. So, if you like this one pot meal, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notifications. Really make this. This is actually really good. And like I said, it can be economical. You use chicken thighs, the boneless chicken thighs, or chicken breast, and this cooked up really, really quick. This is good.